Good things come to those who wait. Maybe if postal services in 2 different countries could get their act together, we wouldn't have to wait so long. But it took 135 days for my birthday present to make it from MyBobbin in Russia to my post office box in Oregon. That's a long time. That's a lot longer than it should have been. This poor package is jinxed. It's been on a voyage, and I would love to know where it has been and how it took so long. But it is here now, and I am so happy. I ordered Riolis kits with my birthday money back in March, and I'm a little giddy from floss fumes. So let me tell you what happened, and let me tell you why I would order from the same company again in a heartbeat. I placed my order with MyBobbin.com. This is the second order I have placed with them. The first one got to me within 3 weeks. The third one got to me in 2.5 weeks. Order number 2 took the scenic route and had me incredibly stressed out along the way. I placed my order, I believe, March 9th. It was shipped on March 11th. And I could see through the tracking that it had been accepted. It was in the system, but it did not move. And it did not move. And it did not move. And I finally sent an email to customer service, and they told me that their packages never get lost, that sometimes it takes longer than expected, and to just be patient. So I waited a couple more months. I'm sorry, I don't have dates on these because I accidentally deleted emails. The package was finally released from Russia on April 8th. And then it stopped again. I have talked to another stitcher on Facebook. It sounds like her package and mine must have been side by side because we ordered them the same day, and they ultimately really reached the United States on the same day. I think that there was a shipping container that got stopped, hung up, something. So my package on July 10th reached a distribution center in Stamford, Connecticut, which is in the United States. That means that it should be here soon. As of July 14th, it is in transit to its next destination. It's still in July 21st was in transit to its next destination. I'm pretty sure at this point that the United States Postal Service has no clue where this package is. I'm also pretty sure, based on my other orders, that I was supposed to sign for this, but the post office was closed. They had wedged it in my box, and I was not going to go back later and argue with them and give them another chance to mess it up. I will send an email to MyBobbin letting them know that I did receive it and all is good, and they can close out my order. I would absolutely order from MyBobbin.com in a heartbeat. They responded to both of my emails very quickly. I believe this is outside of their control. To have the same package, whatever happened with the Russian Postal Service, and then whatever happened with the United States Postal Service, I think it was jinxed. And I'm going to go over it, and I'm going to show you my kits laying flat so we don't have to deal with the glare on the plastic. At the time that I ordered these, they were offering a 15% off coupon, and a lot of the kits were already discounted. So I went through my wish list and took a look at things and figured out what I liked and what was getting me the most bang for my buck. And it was also at the same time I was waiting for the Hobby Lobby clearance sale. So I kind of went into it with the mindset of, if this was on clearance at Hobby Lobby for that price, would I pick it up? First one, and it was going to be part of the order no matter what, was Mysterious Castle. It's one of their newer releases. It is on 10 count, which I've told you before that I love. And just, I need to stitch this. I paid $25.32, and when I looked at that time, it was not available on Amazon yet. And theoretically, if shipping had gone as it was supposed to, I might have got my hands on it without waiting for it to be available on Amazon. But on Amazon today, it's $33.13, and I have no regrets. This next one is Wise Raven. I paid $20.38 on Amazon. It's $29.76. These are all the wool acrylic blends. This next one is Flower Street. I paid $15.87 after the discount and coupon. On Amazon, it is $25.85 plus $12.99 shipping from the only Amazon seller who has it in stock. This one is the Tea Under the Apple Tree. $13.34 in my order and $22.38 from Amazon. Brig Mercury was $14.87 in my order, and the only one I found was on Etsy for $24. I want to stitch ships and hang them on my wall, and it's kind of becoming a passion. So yes, I'm collecting cross-stitch kits, and within that I'm collecting cross-stitch kits with ships on them, because why not? This is Breakfast. It is a little different than what I usually stitch. I got it for $7.68. The only one I found online was on Etsy for $19. And it just looks like it will be a fun project. They're out of order here. I also got lunch, which was $5.90. The one I found on Amazon was $11.59. In hindsight, I really think I should have ordered dinner so I could do all three of them for my kitchen. Maybe when I stitch both of the others, I will try to track down the missing one. Haven't decided yet. And last but not least, we have Tulip Fields. It was $17.17 from MyBobbin. On Amazon, it was $26.47. So I love landscapes and classical art, and that's just always been the kind of cross stitch that draws me. You can tell that from my haul here. And I don't mean to be obsessive about the prices, but I wanted to give you a solid explanation of why I am comfortable ordering and waiting for it to get to me. In the future, I think I will place smaller orders, because that way, if something does go missing, I won't be quite as upset as I was getting, thinking that this one might be gone forever. Because I really wanted these kits, and it was hitting the point where I was starting to tell myself I can't reorder them if I think it's still coming, and I'm glad I didn't give it up as lost. I am glad I was patient. I am thrilled it is here. These 8 kits cost me $120.53 with free shipping. There was a 15% off coupon at the time that I ordered. I think it was their Mother's Day sale. So I feel that I got great deals. I looked up the prices of these kits on Amazon. A couple of them are not available on Amazon, so I had to pull prices from Etsy. And to buy them from within the United States, I'll have a subnote there at the end, would be $192.18, not counting the shipping. One of those kits, it was $12 extra for the shipping. So I waited and I tried to be patient, and ultimately it saved me $71. I can buy a lot more kits for $71. I can do a lot of other things for $71. So I can be patient. I will be patient again, and I am curious. I'm not planning on ordering any more kits for a while because I have a lot of kits, but I'll be interested to see how future orders make it, and I will tell you when that happens. The other thing I was going to say about ordering the kits from Amazon, I have got other Riolis kits off of Amazon, and some of those are coming out of Russia, so there's still shipping to be considered and time, and I'm not in the world's biggest hurry. I had hoped that I would have these in the spring, but I didn't, and cross-stitch kits are not perishable. Like I said, I love the customer service from MyBobbin.com. I don't feel that there was anything they could have done that they didn't do. And my understanding is that shipping from everyone right now is just equally horrible. So let me know if you're ordering Riolis kits. Where are you getting yours from? Do you think it's worth waiting a couple extra months to save a significant amount of money? Thanks for watching. I'm Michelle. This is my Romantic Tangle, and I'll be back with you with more videos soon.